Rumors have circulated that the upcoming Galaxy S flagship phone would solely employ Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips, and many people are discussing it. According to Hankuo, Qualcomm will likely be the only supplier of chips for the Samsung Galaxy S25. He claims this is because the new Exynos 2500 chip, which utilizes a 3M technology, isn't producing as well as promised. Qualcomm contributed around 40% of the chips for the Galaxy S24 series, with the Galaxy S24 Ultra using the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip in all regions. Exynos 2400 powers the ordinary Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus in all regions except the United States, Canada, China, and Japan. After almost 15 years of producing Android phones, Samsung will only quit utilizing Exynos chips in 2023. Many were unhappy when Samsung revealed that Exynos would be returned with the Galaxy S24 series. However, the Exynos 2400 turned out to be a superb processor even if it wasn't as excellent as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in every manner. There isn't much information on the Exynos 2500 yet, but rumors suggest it may be as power efficient as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or perhaps better. This improvement is meant to result from Samsung's new 3nm production method, however it seems that it isn't functioning as well as expected. Normally, we'd be delighted if Samsung discontinued utilizing Exynos chips, but not this time. According to rumors, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will be much more costly than prior generations, which may cause Samsung to boost the pricing for the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. It's very early in the Galaxy S25 rumor stage, so nothing is guaranteed. Things might change in the coming months, and we may not hear any real information regarding the Galaxy S25 series until after the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 are released. According to a reliable source, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will still have 4 cameras, but 2 of them will be upgraded with larger and better sensors. The source shared on Weibo that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will include a 200MP main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel super telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. Most other Android brands now utilize 50-megapixel or greater sensors for their high-end phones, but Samsung has persisted with 10 and 12-megapixel sensors for the telephoto and ultra-wide cameras on its top Galaxy S phones. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.